In this video, we're going to show you how to install On-Premise Poller for Windows systems. What is an On-Premise Poller? The On-Premise Poller is a lightweight agent that helps monitor internal devices and services, such as servers, URLs, and network equipment, that aren't exposed to the public internet. It acts as a secure channel between your local infrastructure and the Site24x7 cloud platform. Why do you need an On-Premise Poller? By enabling Site24x7's On-Premise Poller, you can monitor your internal network or office infrastructure, which acts as a secure bridge between your private infrastructure and the Site24x7 cloud platform. Read the prerequisites before installing the Poller. Let's set up the Site24x7 On-Premise Poller on Windows. First, log into your Site24x7 account and go to Admin and On-Premise Poller. Click the plus icon, then choose Add On-Premise Poller and select Windows as the platform. Now click the 64-bit to download the installer. Click the downloaded installer and follow the prompts. Click Next. Read the license agreement and click Yes. Enter the device key. This is available in your Site24x7 portal under the same On-Premise Poller setup page. Copy and paste the device key when prompted. Choose the installation location and use a proxy server if needed, and click Next to initiate the installation. Once installed, click Finish. Ensure the machine can access Poller Site247.com through HTTPS on port 443. If a firewall is in place, allow outbound traffic accordingly. Once the installation is complete, your installed Poller will show up in the web client. Thank you for watching. Happy monitoring.